Sankardev College as an institution was established on the 2nd of September 1962 and affiliated to the Guwahati University. It was initially instituted as an evening college, but within a year of its inception, following an increase in the enrollment of students, the day shift was introduced, and in 1972, with the creation of the state of Meghalaya and the establishment of a central university in the state, the college was affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University in Shillong. The college had celebrated its Golden Jubilee in 2011, and ever since its establishment, it has grown from strength to strength as far as the number of students, courses of study, faculty, and other facilities are concerned. 2nd September 2021 marks the 59th foundation day of the college, and a program to this effect was held at the premises, where Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shulai had graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of Additional Chief Secretary Education D.P. Walang, Principal Sankardev College Dr. Eureka F.P. Lingdo, faculty members besides others. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, the MLA of South Shillong constituency and Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shulai said that the motto of the college, "From Darkness to Light," is significant, that it reminded him of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who had to study beneath the lamppost while at school, but despite the challenges, was able to overcome them and became the President of India.
I like very much the theme. Educate, inculcate, and provocate, and the motto of the college in 1962 is "From darkness to light." Darkness to light. It really touched me personally when I see this motto, "From darkness to light," because I remember when I was in school, we read about Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He have to start to read his book when the lamppost is on. Beneath the lamppost he will read, because there is no light, since he hailed from the village, poor farmer family. At the same time, I remember myself also, while reading, we used to call it lantern, sharak. I used to study darkness to light, and I did not expect that's the blessing of God that I am standing here before you as your minister. As I hear from a very poor family in Laban locality. God bless you all. My best wishes.
The Additional Chief Secretary of Education, D.P. Walang, stated that many students find it difficult to continue with higher and undergraduate studies due to lack of proper infrastructure in most colleges. However, with the introduction of the Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, or RUSA, and with NAC accreditation to its name, the college was able to receive funding under RUSA 1.0 and 2.0.
Because of the lack of resources, many of the colleges are facing problems for additional infrastructure to cater to the needs of more students entering the higher secondary and the UG courses. And fortunately, at that point of time, the RUSA program came as manna from heaven, I must say. And with RUSA 1.0, we managed to intervene as far as infrastructure is concerned. Then it continued with RUSA 2.0, and it's a reward and merit system. If you don't have any NAC accreditation, you won't get any money. But fortunately, the principal, the faculty, the staff of the college have done a good job. And with the NAC accreditation that we got at that point of time, we managed to get some funding on the RUSA, both 1.0 as well as 2.0. Therefore, you can see quite a number of gaps have been plugged as far as infrastructure is concerned. And I hope that in the next cycle they will improve, because most probably in the next cycle a better rating means more funding. That is what ROSA 3.0 is likely to bring.